This video has been taken from a village of West Bengal. It's an incredible village, and you know, a lot of trees. It's covered with lot of trees, small house, some big house. There is some ponds. You can find it here. So nowadays it is almost invisible. I'm talking about ponds, but here it is available. You can see this kind of small house. This is completely a place which is covered with green tree. This is sky. You can see it very clearly. It's completely today's sky is covered with cloud because it's a rainy day. I think this video you all will like. Thanks. Just wait for next video.